Alright guys, welcome to our 6th video of this playlist. We have covered these 5 till now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep, up to this, writing a function. Next we have this print function. So what it can be? Let's take a look. The given code, it reads an integer n from standard input. Okay, like we are taking the input and then we are converting it to integer. All right, so without using any string methods, try to print the following: 1, 2, ... up to n. Up to n, remember friend. So note that this ... represents the consecutive values in between. So for example, if n equals 5, print the string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So so try to solve it on your own. You can pause the video right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So I hope that you have tried it. Now I will be writing code for it. So what approach did you take? Like as I have mentioned previously, that for solving a problem, there might be multiple ways of solving it. But there can be an optimized way of solving it. This is one approach. But let me tell you, this is not the optimized one. So let me just tell you that we can perform all of these in a single line of code, and that is the optimized solution. But first of all, let's understand what is happening here. So we have initialized an empty list. Then for I in range n plus 1, we can perform, and we can even reduce the code like range 1 comma n plus 1. So we need not to check this. Okay, that we are appending I. That's it. All right. Next we are initializing a blank string. Nothing is there. And then for I in range, length of this list, like the number of elements in this list, s equals s plus li, and we are converting it to string because this is an integer element. Okay, so this is one approach, but this is not the optimized one. Yes friend. So let's see what is the optimized one. Can you guess? Well, for I in range 1 to n plus 1, because we need to include n. Okay, and we are performing it from 1. Print I. All right, now what it will do? It will be like 1, then 2, in the next line 2 will come, right? Then in the next line 3 will come, then in the next line 4 will come. But we don't want that. It's not the desired result, right? The thing is, you need to add here one little thing, argument we can say, because this is the function, print function, right? We need to perform here end equals string, end equals a blank string. So by this, the end of each print statement will not be a new line, okay? It will be a blank string. So by that, all of these will come like consecutively. So 1, then 2, then 3, then up to n. Okay, that's it guys. So now let's run the code. There you go. We got passed. Yay! Alright, now let's submit the code. Yay! So just compare, friend. Let's go over to the submissions. Yes. So let's take a look at this one. See here, this and this. Okay. This and this. By both of these, we are getting the same result. But for this, we are executing 15 lines of code, and for this, it's just 5 lines. It's just only this. That's it. That's why problem is named as print function. Okay, because we can achieve it using the print function only. Alright, this whole entire thing. Alright guys, so if you have done it using this approach, awesome, awesome, you are a pro, man. Or if you are a girl, you are a pro girl. Okay. Alright, so congratulations, we just solved another problem. Alright guys, so see you in our next problem. Till then, have fun, take care.